So hey guys, I hope you are having a wonderful day. Welcome to another video of the channel. So today we will discuss how you can make a line journal easy and fast. The fastest way to make line journal. So I don't recommend you to upload line journals, but if you are someone who is starting to this business and don't know anything about how you can upload, so by uploading you can know you will be familiar with the process. That's why I am trying to tell you how you can make line journals. So we just go and click on Canva. Just go, if you are not registered on Canva, just go and register yourself on canva.com, and we will go to create and design, custom size. We will change from pixel to inches, and the size is up to you. We can make 8.5 into 11 and 6 by 9. We will make 6 by 9 here and enter. Now we have a blank sheet. So first of all, go to elements and search lines, and then take a line and make it a little big. And when you are stretching the line, there is a pink box. We have to make our line inside this pink box, so it wouldn't remove when the book will print, when the copy will print. So here we did. Now what we have to do, just duplicate it. If you are using a Mac, then press option and you can duplicate. If you are using Windows, just press Control and drag them. Just go and press option, and here option, one more time, option. Okay, now just click all of this and go to position and just tied up, but I don't think so, it's in the center. Go to tied up and middle. Everything now is in the middle. Go just go to the group and tied up and group them all and just position center and middle. And now you have your line journal ready, but it's just a one page. Then how you can duplicate? For doing it on the faster way, just click on your page and just do duplicate. We have to make 100 pages long journal, so we are creating 100 pages, and now we are on 50 pages. Let's just do 100. It's 80 now, and here it is 103. Okay, we can delete one. Now we have 100 of 102. So just click on the first page and remove everything. And now you can write here, this book belongs to, this book belongs to. You can check the fonts. I always like Gagleen. Here is a pink box. We have to take everything in the pink box and just go to lines. Just take a dotted line, little bigger, put it in the center, take them all, group. First page is done. Or you can just do duplicate it. On the first page, just add your copyright infringement. You can write your copyright infringement or leave it blank. Then it's your introduction page. The book belongs to, here is the name of the owner, whoever buy your books, and here it is, here your line journal is. So let's download this journal and see how it looks. We just PDF standard because we don't want in PDF zip file. Just click and wait because it's downloading now. So let us look. Let us look how your PDF is looking. Just click on it, and here your PDF is ready. You can see this is your line journal. If you think the line is too much, you can reduce the line by deleting one of them. This is how it looks. At the end you can also write the end, so it will look more cleaner. So this is your book. The book belongs here is the owner's name. So this is it. This is how you can make your PDF book the fast and easiest way to make KDP line journal. So thanks for watching. This is the end of the video. Over and out.